here. All right, so all right, let's take a look at the rules for writing quizzes in Chemistry 30-101, wherein students have to use Respondus. So online quizzes and exams, some quizzes in the final exam will be taken through Canvas, and for those you have to use Respondus. You can either go to campus and use a campus computer at the UCCS campus. Those computers already have Respondus installed on them. Respondus software details. UCCS is a site-specific license for Respondus Lockdown Browser. You can, if you try to get the download link from an internet search, it's not going to work. You have to use this one here. And of course, this document is posted to our class's Canvas shell. So what is Respondus used for? Well, Respondus is used to maintain a level academic playing field for online assignments. Okay, it's just a way to monitor you while you write an exam to make sure that you're not treating it as if it is an open book exam when it is, in fact, a closed book exam. There are no open book exams or quizzes in Organic Chemistry 1. Everything is meant to be done closed book. If there is a handout that you're supposed to have, I will provide that for you, and you'll have to print that out ahead of time. It also allows me to monitor your identification. You have to show your student ID before taking the exam, and you have to show me the area around the exam before you write the exam. Okay, let me show you what that looks like. If I was a student writing an exam right now, and I was just using Respondus Lockdown Browser and Respondus Monitor, and I was asked to show my environment is not this. Okay, my environment isn't this either. My environment is this. Okay, my environment is everything around, including my desktop, everything that you can see. I'm probably turning my iPad upside down, but anyhow, everything that you can see is all here, and you have to show me everything. Okay, that's your environment check. Okay, it's not this or something or showing me, because we have to know that there's nobody in the room with you when you are writing the exam. Okay, if you don't do the environment check, I cannot accept your score. All right, let's continue on. There we go. So there's a YouTube video that you can click on if you want to see how the Respondus Monitor works. So the Respondus Lockdown Browser disables your ability to use the internet, while you're using your computer to write your quiz. It also uses your webcam and microphone to make a recording, just like at an ATM. If you were to go withdraw money from the bank, it records the sound and it records your face. And so your face has to be in the recording, okay? It's not a recording of the top of your head or, your chest or something like that, or your, I don't know, whatever, the wall. It's a recording that has to have your face inside of it. Okay. I would recommend not using wireless connections when you're writing your quizzes using Respondus. I'll be honest with you, most students do, but I would recommend against it. So Respondus Monitor recording etiquette. Please follow the following recommendations to ensure the best possible outcome. First, you want to check your camera position and angle. Make sure that I can see you clearly. Make sure that you have a good enough lighting in the room so that I can see your face while you're writing the exam, so that I know that it's you. Your internet connectivity, make sure that it's either really good if you're going to use wireless, or again, you could go to the university if you want to use their computers. While precautions should be taken to eliminate distractions, I understand that little things like that can occur, like a knock at the door or a dog barking. If something happens, though, please email me to let me know. Keep in mind that the only person who's going to watch these would be either me or one of my colleagues in the chemistry department. And so we're not going to share a video of you recording an exam or anything like that. However, they are all monitored. All right, nothing to be nervous about, though. Again, cheating is not going to help you in your academic studies, is it? If you cheat in this class and then you're saying, okay, well, we're going to get back to the fall, and then I'm going to take Organic Chemistry 2 and everything's back to normal. Well, if you cheat your way through Organic Chemistry 1, it's not going to be really helpful when you get to Organic Chemistry 2. All right, and why do we use online exams? Well, first of all, we're in a global pandemic, so It's kind of a must-have now, but it also frees up more time during class in order for us to concentrate on material. But again, Chemistry 3101 this summer, the class that you all signed up for is a synchronous class. You signed up for class between 8 a.m. and 11:30, or 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. It is not a class that is open 24/7. Okay, it is a class that we hold from 8 a.m. to 11:30, and that is the class that you signed up for when you enrolled in the class. So be aware of that. And there you go. Those are the rules for Respondus Lockdown Browser and Respondus Monitor.